Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use AliExpress Dropshipping Center. To do that, you will need to use your browser. So here, search this link, des.aliexpress.com, and when the site loads, sign in with your AliExpress account. And if it asks for access, simply confirm it. And here, this is basically a dropshipping center of AliExpress, and here you can explore hot selling products, analyze product performance, and find new suppliers. To search for products, tap on the section at the top, find products to sell. Also, you can apply filters like shipping location, price, or delivery time, and tap on any product to see ratings, order trends, and delivery details. And you can also paste a product link from AliExpress to check how it is performing. Basically, Dropshipping Center helps you spot good suppliers and test product demand before you list anything in your own store. The best thing that this tool is completely free and everything works right from your device. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.